How to increase or decrease screen zoom for smaller or larger screen on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on display. After click on display, scroll down, you will see screen zoom is here. Click on screen zoom. If you want to increase screen zooms larger, so you will screen zoom from here. If you want to decrease screen zoom, so you will see, so you will increase or decrease screen zoom from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can increase or decrease screen zoom for smaller, larger screen on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.